Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solve a interesting complex number math problem. This question is square root I is equal to what? Square root I is equal to what? How to solve this interesting complex number math problem? So I solved these questions two methods. First of all, I take our first method. Here is square root I. So at this moment, I take here is 1 over square root 2 times square root 2i. Now, at this moment, you can see easily this square root 2, this square root 2 is cancelled. We'll find out square root I. So this and this, here is no change. There is no change. Now, at this moment here, 1 over square root 2, then this square root 2i, you can see easily it will be square root 1 plus 2i minus 1. I add 1 and again I subtract this 1. So 1 cancel out. We'll find out again 2i. Now here 1 over square root 2 times, and it will be 1 square root, it will be 1 square. You know that 1 square it will be 1 plus 2 times this 1 times I plus I square. You know that I square it will be negative 1. How? You know that here I it will be square root negative 1 and I square it will be negative 1. Now here 1 over square root 2 square root down a square plus 2ab plus b square, it will be a plus b whole square. Now this square is cancel out. We'll find out our final answer. It will be plus minus 1 over square root 2 and here is 1 plus I. This is our final answer in this math problem. Now I solve these questions others method. Let or suppose that square root I it will be x plus iy, and you can solve these questions others method like you can use here is Euler formula. Now I use both side whole square, so square root I whole to the power 2 x plus I y whole to the power 2. I use both side whole square. Now here square is cancelled. We'll find out here is a complex number. It will be I, then it will be a plus b whole square. According to this identity, it will be x square plus 2xyi plus I square y square, a plus b whole square. According to this property, it will be this. Now here I is equal to x square. I take our real part. I to the power 2, it will be negative 1. So I take this negative y square here. Then here it will be 2xyi. Now at this point if I compare both sides, so here this is real part but here is no real part, it will be 0. So I can say it will be x square, this is our first equation, minus y square, it will be 0. Then here 2xy, it will be 1. Here 1. Now at this moment we are finding out x square minus y square, it will be 0. 2xy is equal to 1. But x square plus y square is equal to what? So we know that x square plus y square whole to the power 2, it will be x square minus y square whole to the power 2 plus 4ab. Now here x square minus y square, it will be 0. So if I take this is 0, then here 2xy whole to the power 2. Now x square plus y square whole to the power 2 is equal to 2xy whole square. So know that 2xy it will be 1. So 1 to the power 2 it will be 1. Then you can see easily x square plus y square it will be 1. Then recall or remember that x square minus y square it will be 0. Now at this point if I add both equation, So first of all, I add both equations. So x square plus x square, it will be 2x squared, and y square, this is negative y square, it will be 0. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. Then if I divide both sides by 2, it will be x square is equal to 1 over 2. Then if I use both sides square root, we'll find out here x is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. Now if I subtract both equation, so x square minus x square will be 0, but y square minus y square will be positive, so it will be 2y square. 1 minus 0, it will be 1. Now at this moment, if I divide both sides by 2, so it will be y square is equal to 1 over 2. I divide both sides by this 2. Now I use both sides square root, so it will be y is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. So we'll find out here is x is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2, and here is y is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. But recall or remember that our first equation here, square root I is equal to x plus iy. So if I take our equation here, so it will be square root I is equal to x plus iy. I take our equation, first equation. Now here square root I is equal to x is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2, and here is plus, then this is I, and here y is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. Now at this moment you can easily here plus minus 1 over square root 2 is common. So if I take, you can say that this time days, it will be days. So it will be plus minus 1 over square root 2 plus minus I 1 over square root 2. Then I take plus minus square root 1 over square root 2 is common. So I take here is plus minus 1 over square root 2 is common. So it will be, this is 1 and this is plus I. This plus, it will be I. So we'll find out our final solution. Square root I, it will be plus minus 1 over square root 2 and 1 plus I. And you can solve this question start method. You use Harry's Euler formula and you find out this solution. Here is two solution. First solution, it is positive, and second solution, it is minus 1 over square root 2 1 plus I. So we'll find out our solution. It will be square root I is equal to what? Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, if you enjoy this complex number math problem, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.